Okay, and in this video we're taking a look at the Razer FireFly V2. This is the hard surface gaming mouse. As you can see in the background, oops, I've got this one here and it's a bit plain. So hopefully I'm going to be replacing this with this and it should be a bit better. You can see it's 3 times brighter. It's got RGB going around the side, little Razer logo there. I'm not sure if that's RGB or not. And you got a little cable management thing and the cable going up there. So let's just take a look at the box and then we'll open up and see what's inside. Powered by Chroma, micro textured surface, ultra thin, anti-slip base, which is good. Alright, let's open this up and see what you actually get inside. Oh, hold on. Alright, so I got this open. Nothing else on the box. Let's see, got this, take this off. And wow. Underneath you got this lovely mouse pad. Let's take this off. I believe you've got cables that are stuck underneath here. Let's just pull this out, and then that's all you get. You get some documentation as well that tells you about the product if you want to read that. And I think these are some Razer stickers. I actually might use these, put them on my PC. But yeah, just some documentation telling you about it and stuff. Don't really need it. It's pretty straightforward to use. So let's just get rid of the old cheap mouse pad and just get rid of this. Let's take a look how thin it is. You can see it's surprisingly thin compared to this one, which is basically like a sheet of paper. It's just a bit thicker, maybe double or triple the size of the old one. You got the cable management here, so the mouse just ties in here and then you can have it here. But the one I do plan on getting a new mouse that's going to be replacing this. It's going to be a wireless one. Hopefully that should be the next video, so if you want to see that, go check it out. Just comes with a simple USB cable, and that is about it. We're just going to plug this in and see. So now that I've got it plugged in, you can see he's got the RGB going around the side, the Razer logo here as well. It's actually RGB. I didn't think this was RGB, but the Razer logo is RGB as well. And then you've got the cable that goes off here, and then what you do is just literally have the wire in there like that. Obviously have a bit more slack, but like I said, I'm not going to be using it because I'm going to have a wireless one. But overall it's pretty nice. Seems to be anti-slip as well. Doesn't seem to be moving about too much. You just put it in place, which is nice. You can see the bottom of it as well. It's got like a whole kind of rubber finish on the back, which should help with grip. And I've already put like a lot of fingerprints on there already, so that's lovely. So this is with everything set up. I've set up the synapse and everything, and you can just see how it is. It looks pretty nice. Everything's RGB and ready to go. The mouse itself on the mat is actually pretty comfortable. It just glides over as well. Especially, you can't wait to get my new mouse and really try it out. But it's very smooth and very responsive. Ideal for gaming. Very accurate as well. You can see the mouse, the pointer on the screen. It's just, everything's just smooth and nice. So highly recommended. Super comfortable, and it's very slim as well. So it just slightly lifts off the table. So it's not like a massive gap. It's just very low profile, and you can just easily, comfortably rest your hand on it, and it's not feeling too uncomfortable. So overall, pretty nice. Give it a 10 out of 10. I did manage to pick this up from Amazon for £35 in the UK. It was originally 50, but because the Amazon Day, it went on sale and it went down to 35, so I picked this one up. So yeah, it's pretty nice, well worth the money. I'll have a link down below if you want to pick this up as well, the link to the Amazon link where you could go pick it up. And probably in the next video I'm going to be doing the mouse unboxing, the wireless mouse that I got. That should be arriving today hopefully, and you can get to see that. That is about it for the video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, let me know in the comment section down below what if you liked it or not, if you're going to pick one up. Yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.